Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops with two controllers. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the game with a friend right beside you. First, make sure your second controller is connected and powered on. Then, sign in with a distinct console profile for the second player. Once both controllers are active and signed in, simply launch the game to begin the process. When playing with two controllers, you can dive into the action-packed multiplayer or intense zombies modes. Unfortunately, the thrilling campaign does not offer split-screen play. It's crucial that both players have their own console account and a linked Activision account. Also, remember that an active internet connection is essential, as local split-screen does not support offline play. After selecting either multiplayer or zombies, look for a prompt to add the second player. On PlayStation, press the X button, and on Xbox, press the button on the second controller. You might even find options in the settings to customize your view, choosing between a horizontal or vertical screen split. Keep in mind that this feature is usually exclusive to current generation consoles, not available on PC or older systems. To make the most of your two-player experience, clear communication with your teammate is key for effective strategies. Take a moment to adjust each player's individual settings, such as controller sensitivity, for optimal comfort. Explore various maps and game modes together to discover new favorites. While there might be slight visual differences, the joy of playing alongside a friend makes it a truly rewarding experience. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.